All right, welcome to another episode on Trade of the Day. So the trades from, again, not a financial advisor, so talk to your financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, so the trades, the ES and NQ that I told you to short, they're still good. Um, and actually, Dow is also coming up to that point. It's not there yet, but we would be able to short Dow in a day or two, but I'm not shorting it yet because money sometimes moves from ES and Q, which is S&P, Nasdaq to Dow. So that's why Dow is actually keeps going higher. But yesterday it had a pretty down day. Anyway, so the earlier trades that I mentioned, these all these trades are still good. Okay, so you could watch my yesterday's video to see about these trades. But don't chase the market just for ES and NQ. ES 5 points below where the market is. I think it's 49.97, 50 something. So 49.92. So 5 points below that. Okay, and then the profit target is 10 points below that. So if you sold it at 49.92, you're taking the profit at 49.8175, 10 and a quarter because you want to cover the commission as well. NASDAQ is see, I look at so many markets, I don't remember where their levels are, but what's more important, it's not to remember where the market is, it's remember where to trade. Um, so NASDAQ, I'm looking at the other screen, is the high was close to 17,793.50. So take like 13 points off of that. So like 17, roughly 17,780 is where you'd be shorting it. And then 26 point below that, that's where your target is. So if you sold it at 17,780, 26 below that would be 17,754. Okay, so that NASDAQ each point is $20. So 25 points would be 25 points would be $500 because 20, and then you're covering the commission. So instead of 25, we are saying 26 points. Okay. So NASDAQ and S&P, you can still short it, but don't chase it. Just put the orders on the top. And oil, similarly, oil also don't chase it. Put it at 24 and then take profit at 22 with 21.95 to cover the commission. TMF, sell 40 and 45 puts, although treasuries are going down, but still this is a good trade. I don't think it's going to go beyond 5.25, the yield. Okay. So the new trade, Yang, which is 3 times um the Chinese market. Okay. Is it Chinese or Hong Kong? Doesn't matter. Actually, I think it's Chinese, but who cares? See, again, I don't do analysis. I just look at what is the best probability of making money. And that's how I give you this. So Yang is 3 times inverse of the index. So that's why I'm saying short it. And also these inverse funds over time, they actually go to zero. The inverse bear funds, like inverse meaning, uh, like I'll give you an example, SPXU, that is 3 times S&P 500, but inverse. Okay, it is eventually going to go to zero. But the other one, which is the UPRO, which is 3 times um, bull, S&P 500, which is 3 times. If S&P goes up 1 point, it goes up 3 points, or 1%, 3%. So that doesn't go to zero. But the other one, SPXU, the short one, will go to zero. Why? Because the market long term has a long bias, meaning, it keeps going up. All right. So these Yang, you want to short it. And again, no stop. Yang, let's look at what the price is for Yang right now. Yang is close to, so short it at, see, it's around 16 something. You don't want to chase it. So short it close to 1866 because 1916 is the high. So just wait. If it doesn't get filled, it doesn't get filled. There'll be other trades, Um, SVXY, same thing, you can short it. And again, everything that I short at, I put another trade, like no stop loss, another trade 10% above, another trade 10% above. Profit also is 10% below. Okay, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending upon the charts. SVXY, that is VIX is volatility in the market, stock market, and the volatility has been pretty low, but it's starting to increase. As you can see, this is the VIX right here. Yeah, it is, as you can see, it's been, hovering low, but it could increase if the market keeps going down. So that's why we are going to be shorting SVXY, and you're going to short it when SVXY reaches 108.60, 50 points below where it is right now. Okay. And again, no stops, 10% above is where you're going to be next shorting level. So if you shorted at 108.50, then the next short would be at 118.50. Okay. And then you're going to take profit at, again, 10% low. So that is $10. So 108.50. So that would be 98.45 because we want to cover the commission as well. All right. So let's go back. And then the cold. Cold is natural gas. Natural gas, the weather has been pretty warm. So it's been going down. And let's see, natural gas right here. By the way, I use Yahoo Finance. It's free charting. You don't have to pay anything, and it gives you basic charts. Oh, by the way, the professionals don't actually put the Fibonacci's and all of that, and you know, and most of the trading is done by algorithms. They're not measuring and all of that. So basic. Keep the charts basic. Don't clutter it too much. So that's sorry, because it's NG. So I kind of looked at NQ and thought, so this is natural gas right here. Okay. Oh, and you also might want to put, like I have put, as you can see, the natural gas, put levels 1.5 and 2, because these are important levels. I mean, it hasn't gone below 1.5 for a very long time, as you can see. So that's why so that's something that you could put on the charts, some important things. So I only use RSI. That's also whatever is the standard 14 period RSI, and then the Bollinger Bands, because they tell me when it's oversold, overbought, things like that. All right, so now as you can see, it is reaching that level too. And the last time it had done that, it kind of bounced back. So, and worst case scenario, it's going to go to 1.5. Fine, that's fine too. That's why I said keep shorting it. Don't have a stop loss. Let's go. Okay, okay, sorry. Hold is right here. Right. Yeah, interesting name. So this is also inverse of natural gas. So it goes up when natural gas is going down. All right. So where are you going to short it? The high was 117. Let's see, 117. So 117.32. So you're going to short it at 116. 82, 50 cents below that, and then take profit. In this case, I would recommend take profit at $5. So if you shorted at 116.82, you take profit at 101.57. All right, you want to add 5 cents for the commission. Okay, you want to take commission as well. All right, so just a quick recap. All the other trade that I had mentioned, the UPRO, UDOT, TQQ, those shorts are still good. And you could short ESNQ. Again, don't chase the market, just put the shorts at the top. Watch the video again if you want to know what is the top, or you can watch yesterday's video as well, because I explained it quite clearly there. And these are the new trades, shorting Yang, SVXY, and Corp. All right, hope you make tons of money and enjoy the day. All right, see you next time. Bye.